Yes, man's finally here. Just kind of wait patiently. So before I start busting into this box and everything, I want to throw a little shout out to my white elephant from the Christmas white elephant party, and the Gerber. It actually helped me open up this box. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it and show you guys what I got. Alright, as you guys can tell, comes in a plethora of little, I don't know what you guys want to call this, little foamies. So it's very well protected. Gotcha. But there you go, unwrapped. And let's go ahead and get accountability of everything and go ahead and inspect what we got. So we have the lower portion of the upper intercooler pipe, and then the upper portion is going to get connected to here, and that's going to go to the turbo outlet. Alright. As you guys can tell, I ordered the black ones. It's a wrinkle black. It did cost a little bit more money than the standard, I believe it was stainless steel they were calling it online. So these are Ultimate Racing. See if I can get it to, there you go, Ultimate Racing. UR. So you get the two pipes, right? You get two couplers, 1, 2, and then 2 clamps per side. Should fit perfectly well. I do have the Evo X or Evo 10, however you guys want to say it, front mount intercooler, and on Ultimate Racing they also give the option to order for the Rally Art for the stock intercooler, or they also have the Evo 10 conversion kit, which is what I got. So hopefully this fits towards the front mount, and this will fit to the stock turbo outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and inspect it. So when you guys receive any type of parts, I highly recommend you look it over before installing it. That way you find the problem now. Doing a little visible check, looking for cracks, dents, anything like that. This one looks pretty good. On the inside you kind of tell that it's there you go, still stainless steel, just has like a little wrinkle black color to it. And let's see if I can get some texture for you. So it's got a little rough exterior, nothing crazy though. You can kind of see where the welds are, where it bends, but it doesn't really bother me. And as far as the couplings go, they seem pretty strong, sturdy. It seems pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and inspect the second one too. Looking pretty good. So these were bought online. I got it off of ultimateracing.com, and the prices are going to vary and change, so I'm not going to tell you how much I bought it for. However, I did buy this as part of a gift for Christmas. During that time frame when I ordered it, it was on sale. Good job on me, saved some money, and it's exactly what I needed. Alright, that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. It's just a little quick unboxing of Ultimate Racing's upper intercooler pipes. Yeah, stay tuned for when I do install it. It will be pretty soon. Like I say, it's today or tomorrow or the next day, but do plan on watching that and staying tuned for when I do install this. It's going to be a pretty simple install. However, I'll go ahead and break it down to what I'm expecting to see out of the Ultimate Racing pipes. It should be an upgrade over the Evo 10 I have currently. So other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, thanks for hitting that subscribe button. If you haven't already done so, make sure you do it. That way you don't miss anything in the future of the Rally Art build or anything I got going on. So until next time, I want to say thanks for watching, and I will catch you later.